Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to stop iPhone from dimming. So first of all, you have to open up your iPhone setting. On your settings, you have to scroll down until you see the option that says accessibility. On your accessibility, you have to click on display and text size. On this page, scroll down towards the end until you see the option that is auto brightness. So you have to toggle this off if you want to stop your iPhone from dimming. One more thing that you can do to stop your iPhone from dimming is that go back to your settings main screen. On the main screen, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Here you will see the option that says True Tone, so you have to toggle this off as this can also affect the brightness of your iPhone. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.